Obwahati empunje nizebisaho kurabira omu kurondera emirimo mu Banyayuganda konka obumwe emirimo nebura babura ekyo kubatunga.
Burya nabyo nyine tuzamuka mu misozi mu Banyankore bumwe tukabona akazi ubundi tukaza saa 9 saa 10 twakabuze tukaburara twagira amahirwe ejo bwacya twajya tukabona akazi tukazana igitekerezo tukabona icyo kurya.
Obwahati ekitongole kya Community Volunteer Initiative for Development COVID batandikira entebeekanisa y'okwegyesa Eminyeto n'abakazi abari kutuura mu kampu y'empunje ya Nakivale okureba kuba kubasa kwebisaho.
Nkanta kushoma ije ekitongole kibakweta COVID kikatandika mu bigombe kikutera mu box nakizamu na mama konkanya wabo kuja nkanti na kwiha sente mama kabazimpa nzitamu bija bajate abana batakushoma baba supportinge bashome byo mwoga ekibarakundi nazamu bashomese kiharani
abo kubeka ntora no mu bandi bana yanye gisakande ari kurebanye no burema eri kugamba takubasa kuteka mu huzo mu mpitirizo okananye bagizo banyegesa nimbe bariza munonga.
Omuntebeekanisa zitirwaho kutungura emitorera y'empunje abantu 30 bahirwe biharani okwetandikiraho ekyo kukora.
Twakoze market survey twapikinga skills as marketer abana bachuzinga tailoring na mechanics kandi twakoze survey twasanga they among the marketing skills titukovo bitwali marketing skills so niyo songa bari tuzire priority
kongo mwana twamuhe charani
ariko mwana tumuhereza imashini
tukuza kumupangisiza enzo no gukora
nako tuzamukodesha inzu yo kuzadoderamo
atari kuzakupangisha enzo no
uzakodesha inzu yo kudoderamo ninde
zire turahamwe
turi kumwe.
Abahirwe biharani bashabira kubikwata kurungi no kureba ngo bagire icyo baganyirwamo.
Zire bari yaho bwo kuteka umwana ushanga nangwa n'abamwe babagira mu kwiba n'abamwe batankirana no kuzomba y'abashije n'abanga abana babishiki konka katkubiye tabitsabye mukono atoshange byo byona byarugaho byo kuzakoza mu basigaza n'amwanga bishikuzo mu basigazi.
Umuganda bakuru b'amashomera gari yo mu kampu z'empunje bashabire kuhatandikaho za project zo kuyamba empunje okurwanisa ubworo.
Village education committees be established in all these villages and they are empowered to start mobilization, but also too the go back to school campaign should be started earlier when the term is not yet, because when you started 1 week to the start, it's also a bit an inconvenience for parents who had forgotten probably to do that.
Okushabo kwirwe bakuru b'amashomera gari yo mu kampu y'empunje ya Nakivale mu district y'Isingiro.
Agira ishomero myaka yashemeye kubana aje ishomero yagumo kumbiyaro nabuganayo abasinzi nabugana y'abasigazi bamubiha bisamanda za kubana bayinenzara bahendera bamutwekireyo enda usanga inenda takumanya uje mutweki.
Obwahati ekitongole kya Northern Refugee Council kitongwize project hagirwe education cannot wait nekigendererwa ekyo kurindira abantu mu mashomero.
Education is not just a basic human right, but it's a lifeline for most of these marginalized children in these communities, both the refugees and the nationals, because it's only through education that they can go out of some of these circumstances they're in and find better opportunities for themselves, not only for themselves but for the communities that they live in and for most of the people that look up to them.
Gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya na Abdul Karim Sengendo.